Hi, math enthusiast. I would like to invite you to join us and be a member of e-DEOlogy community. If you become a member, you will help e-DEOlogy YouTube channel to make more math videos and to ease logistics expenses. See you all in e-DEOlogy community and get this beautiful e-DEOlogy fun badge and be a member according to your interest as a bronze member, a silver member, or a gold member. We love to see you in e-DEOlogy community. Hi everyone. Today we're going to study graphs of linear functions. First, let us define linear functions. A linear function is a function whose graph is a line. Linear functions can be written in the slope-intercept form of a line. This is f of x equals mx plus b. We know that m, the coefficient of x, is the slope of the line, and the b is the y-intercept. Showing the ordered pair, we can write 0, b. As defined, y-intercept is the point where the graph intersects the y-axis. Also, there is x-intercept, and that is the point where the graph intersects the x-axis. To illustrate, we have here a line, and with respect to the rectangular coordinate system, this point here is the y-intercept, while this point is the x-intercept. To find the x-intercept, we set a function equal to 0 and solve for the value of x. So, given f of x equals 0, we can have mx plus b equals 0, and this positive b is transposed on the right. The sign is changed, so we have mx equals negative b. Since we want to get x alone on the left side, we will divide this equation by m. So the m here will be cancelled out, only x comes down, and this is equal to the negative b over m. So the x-intercept equals negative b over m. We may use this formula to get the x-intercept. To summarize, the general form of the linear functions is f of x equals mx plus b. The y-intercept, we may write the ordered pair 0 and b. For x-intercept, it has the ordered pair with x coordinate negative b over m. Take note, this b is that y-intercept over the m, which is the slope of the line. Then comma 0. How to graph a linear function. we're going to follow two steps. Step 1, find the intercepts. Step 2, draw the line connecting the intercepts. Let's have examples. Find the slope and intercepts and then sketch the graph of the linear functions given below. Number 1, f of x equals 3x minus 6. So we write the general form of the linear functions here. The f of x equals mx plus b. First, we can collect the slope, which is the coefficient of x, and that is 3. Followed by the y-intercept, which is the negative 6. And if we write this in the ordered pair, it will be 0, negative 6. For the x-intercept, we're going to use this formula, negative b over m. Substituting the values, this is equal to, first, the b is negative 6 over the m is 3. And then this negative and negative becomes positive, and 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. To show this as an ordered pair, we will write 2, 0. Now, let us sketch the graph. Let us show the x and y axis, and then identify the negative 6 in the y-axis and the positive 2 in the x-axis. Then let us plot the points. First is 0, negative 6, that is the point, followed by the 2, 0, that is the point. And then we will connect the 2 points, and this is now the line f of x equals 3x minus 6. This is our final answer. Let us have example 2. Let us find the slope and intercepts and sketch the graph of this f of x equals 4 minus 2x. The general form of linear functions is written here. For our convenience, we may rewrite this problem in such a way that the negative 2x comes first. And from here, we will collect now first the slope, and that is the coefficient of the x, which is negative 2. Next is the y-intercept with coordinates 0, 4. You can see I copy directly the constant in the function, and it is written here. Next is the x-intercept. We will follow the formula negative b over m. And substituting the values, this is equal to negative 4, that is the b, over the negative 2, which is the slope. And then we simplify. Negative and negative becomes positive. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Showing now the ordered pair of x-intercept, we have 2, 0. To sketch the graph, let us first show the x and y axis, and then let us identify the 4 in the y-axis and the 2 in the x-axis. Then let us draw first the y-intercept, that is the point, and the x-intercept 2, 0, that is the point. And then we simply connect these 2 points, and this is now the line of the function 4 minus 2x. This is our final answer. There are 4 geometric cases for slope value. Case 1 is positive slope. The symbol is here. M is greater than 0. Take note that we're going to read the graph from left to right. So the line is here. It's like going upward, but we can say that this is inclined to the right. The case 2 is when we have negative slope. Our symbol is M is less than 0. Again, we are going to read the graph from left to right. You see the line? It is like going down. Or we can describe this line to be inclined to the left. The case 3 is when we have 0 slope, or we say M, the slope, equals 0. In this case, the line is horizontal, or we can say that all horizontal lines have 0 slope. The case 4 is undefined slope. The M is undefined. The lines with undefined slope are the vertical lines. Also, all vertical lines have slope that is undefined. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.